Hello, this might seem minor, but can make a major difference depending on your style of photography. Now, I'm a huge advocate for the Micro Four Thirds format, especially Olympus and OMSystem gear, and believe the M.Zuiko 40 to 150 millimeter 2.8 Pro lens is almost perfect. But why almost? Oh yes, she's a beauty, and I love this lens. I think every Micro Four Thirds photographer should have one. But the stock tripod collar that comes with the 40 to 150 millimeter f2.8 Pro as well, in a word, meh. I mean, it works, kinda, but it seems like Olympus said, close enough. I mean, what's worse is OMSystem rebranded and re-released this lens and didn't change a damn thing. Come on, folks, at least make it Arca compatible like your other zoom lenses with tripod collars. You've got this great, sharp as a tack lens, perfect for portraits, landscapes, wildlife, and more, but you can't connect the collar to a ball head? I mean, what are you gonna do? Screw this on every time?
Five minutes later.
Woohoo! It's got a tiny foot, no integrated Arca-Swiss plate, no quick release options, nada. It's like trying to balance a bowling ball in a soup spoon. Yes, there are affordable options to work around this limitation. I've been using a generic, inexpensive Arca-Swiss plate that I connect and have been using for a while now. Or you can also use the trusty platypod disc, which just screws on. Does provide a little extra balance, but can, of course, connect directly to your Arca compatible ball head. But again, these solutions are only as strong as the 1/4-inch screw that is connecting to the foot of the collar and adds an awkward layer of extra gear at best. Now, I consider a small, inexpensive Arca plate a good option. The platypod disc, a better option. But if you're looking for a more permanent option, an accessory built for this one specific job that also adds versatility, the best solution is from Haoge. At least I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is the Haoge LMR-M415 tripod mount ring collar. Try saying that 5 times fast. It's a third-party upgrade that honestly Olympus and OMSystem should have added to this amazing lens in the first place. So let's talk features. Built-in Arca-Swiss foot, check. Full metal build, check. Longer and more stable base, check. Features both a 1/4-inch and a 3/8-inch socket, double check. And even 2 built-in options to directly connect a strap. It's like the OEM collar finally finished puberty and is now an adult. Swapping it out is a breeze. No tools, no drama. Just loosen up the old one, turn it, remove it, and just take the new one, slide it on, turn it until it clicks, tighten it up. It hugs the lens snugly, and the built-in Arca rail means I can go straight onto my ball head. No adapters, no issues, quick and easy. It actually saves time and weight in the field. And unlike the OEM collar, it actually stands up with the hood extended. If you're a fellow OM1 user, this upgrade just feels right. Whether you're shooting nature, wildlife, portraits, events, or just flexing your kit at the local camera club, it's a legit improvement. The all-metal construction ensures it can meet any needs out in the field or in the studio. And since it's adjustable like the OEM collar, you can easily switch the camera from landscape to portrait by just loosening the collar. And of course, you can turn it out of the way if you don't want to use it at all. Now, you can settle for just attaching cheap generic Arca plates or using the quality platypod disc, but if you want a long-term dependable solution, spend the $45 and put this thing on that lens. You'll get better balance, more stability, and a pro feel for your pro lens. And bonus, it works with the M.Zuiko 90mm f3.5 macro lens. So if you're still rocking the OEM collar, I salute your bravery. But once you try the Haoge, there's no going back. This will make nearly perfect lens that much closer to perfect. Now if we can only get OM to release a Mark II version with a built-in Sync IS. Come on, guys, get cracking on that. Make it perfect. You can do it. I believe in you. Now, this video is not sponsored. I discuss equipment I rent and own and have used myself. The links below are not affiliate links. Please like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more gear discussions, photography tips and techniques, and of course, Micro Four Thirds goodness. And leave a comment if you've got your own favorite accessories or even some interesting DIY hacks. Get out and create. Earth is art. Be the artist. Take care.